Hey, I'm Jamie from the Crafters Workshop. We are at Creativation in Phoenix, Arizona. I'm going to show you some new stencils from Carmen Medlin. She is one amazing woman. She has the prettiest stencils going. As you can see, she's got this lovely tree. You can do all sorts of things, mixed media, painting. She did a lot of florals this year. I'm still looking at that gorgeous tree, I know. And florals, she's got these amazing lilacs. Look at all that detail. You can have so much fun scraping modeling paste through there. You can color the modeling paste. You can do the modeling paste as white and then paint it from there. And then just a whole bunch of lovely flowers. In New York, it's the middle of winter, so we are just happy thinking about what flowers are going to be coming our way. So if you don't have flowers, or even if you do, the Asian floral and the irises, the sunflowers are wonderful. They're so happy. And then we've got these maidenhair ferns. I mean, that could be anything from actual ferns to texture. A little further along, we've got the lavender. Again, all the pretty detail. Fuchsia. Isn't that gorgeous? The fuchsia are beautiful. I love when I'm able to plant those. So you can get some really amazing colors going with that. And then Gulf Coast creatures. We've had a lot of requests for those sea creatures, and we finally got them. And to go along with that, we even developed some beautiful flora. So you've got a little more coral and other beautiful things that are down in the water. And not to forget our Midwestern friends. We've got Bessie the cow. She's happily standing there. That would be fun to do for your home, even on a doormat that you want to stipple and paint. We did throw in a few things for Christmas. So here is our fir branch. You can start on your Christmas stuff now. It's never too early. Get those cards done. And here are some gorgeous berries, sweet berries we call them. Depending on how you do the colors, it could determine what time of the year you're doing. This could be everything from a birthday card, thinking of you, or even sympathy. And then we have our wheat stalks, perfect all year round, especially nice for Thanksgiving. Look at how pretty that is, and just very simple, mellow yellow tones, corn tones. And here we have our jellyfish. If you just duck down a little bit, you'll see a really nice piece of artwork done with that. Isn't that gorgeous, those colors? Opportunities everywhere. And for you Lighthouse lovers, yes, we finally came out with a Lighthouse. That is wonderful. Look how simple you can do. It's just, look at this, it's just black on white. That's our black modeling paste. And it's scraped right through, right onto a board. I know a lot of people travel and go to the lighthouses. This is perfect. And here we have the hibiscus, a beautiful flower. Lots of doodling and painting and sketching opportunities there. More happy dandelions. Ah, so pretty. All the tones you can get in there. And then we've got plumeria. And once again, for all you sea lovers, we have the seahorse. Isn't that sweet? Look at how nicely it comes up. I mean, with some interesting colors, you can choose your colors, whatever your decor is, whether it's for a little card or something on a pillow. And to go along with that seahorse, we have the conch shells. Look at all that detail. Carmen is amazing. We've got some tropical fronds. That's F-R-O-N-D-S. Nice and intricate. Look at all the colors of green that our artist Karen Liz did. Isn't that beautiful? And then last but not least, it's just another nice texture called gauze. And this is great for whenever you just need a little bit of texture in some project, some little piece of it.
Thanks for watching this video that was filmed in Phoenix, Arizona at AFCI's 2020 Creativation event. If you liked this video and want to see more from Scrapbook.com, please like, share, subscribe, and leave a message. Happiness is life handmade.